If you're running a business in 2025, having the right CRM can be the difference between chaotic customer management and scalable growth. So let's break down the top 5 CRM platforms that are crushing it this year. First up, Salesforce. Still the industry giant, Salesforce is unbeatable for large teams that need deep customization, powerful automation, and integrations with just about everything. It's complex, yes, but if you need enterprise level features, it delivers. Next, HubSpot CRM, perfect for growing businesses. It's clean, user friendly, and comes with built in marketing tools. Plus, their free plan is still one of the most generous out there. If you're looking for a solid all-in-one platform, HubSpot makes it easy to scale. Number 3, Zoho CRM, highly underrated. It offers strong automation, AI-powered sales insights, and it's cost-effective. If you're budget conscious but still want rich functionality, Zoho is worth serious consideration. Fourth, Pipedrive. This one's built with sales teams in mind. The visual pipeline interface is intuitive, and it's great for small teams that want to stay focused on closing deals without a steep learning curve. And finally, Monday Sales CRM. If you already use Monday.com, this is a no-brainer. It's visually flexible, great for collaboration, and ideal for teams that want their sales process to fit into a wider project management workflow. Bottom line, the best CRM depends on your size, goals, and how tech-savvy your team is. But any of these 5 will give you the tools to manage relationships, boost productivity, and drive real business growth in 2025.